It feels good to be asked my opinion because you find that a lot of young people aren't included in stuff like this. You can't not take a young person's advice and just go for it. It's just not going to work.
Mae'r Ystafell Wrecsam yn datblygiad gyffrous iawn yn Wrecsam. Mae'n ofod i dynnu pobl ynghyd, i drafod dyfodol i ardal leol. Mae'n ofod i ymgysylltu pobl yn greadigol, i annog sgyrsiau creadigol ynghylch eu perthynas nhw gyda lle, deimlad o le dyfodol y dref, y ddinas. Yn fwy na dim, mae'n ofod sy'n cael, neu mi fydd yn cael ei greu gan y perthnasau sy'n cael ei creu yma. Felly mae'n bedwar wal, ond mae e hefyd yn le cyffroes i dynnu pobl ynghyd a creu gofod gyda'n gilydd.
We need one of these in every community in Wales. What this is going to do is bring people together to talk about what matters to them, what they want from their community, what they want to see for the future, and think about the ideas to make that happen. So what an incredibly positive initiative to see launched today, and hopefully we can see it spread right across Cymru.
I think it's really important for Wrexham to have a space like this because the community really needs a voice and a space for them to voice their concerns, the things that they want to change in the community. I think people in Wrexham have a lot of ideas, but they might not always have the opportunity to express them. So I think having a space like this, which is inclusive and, welcoming, is really important because it lets people have their say. And I think Wrexham really, really needs that.
Yeah, it is data, but it's not the sort of data I would have thought of as data before starting this job. Been more sort of arts-based, hasn't it? Making it more accessible to young people.
I like my friends and my school, and I like shopping, and it's just a really nice community here. And T-Power, which I'm in now, it just brings everyone together. And I feel like Wrexham isn't a place for discrimination or any rudeness. It's just chill. That's what I like about it. What would I change about Wrexham? More shops and stuff, because South Wales, since it's got the capital, gets way more budget for their shops, their community centre, stuff like that. And we need to change that. We need to make it even, and we need to be able to expand Wrexham and just make it better because it's already great. It needs more.
I don't really think I would change a lot of things in Wrexham. Maybe the shops. Because there's a lot of shops in town shutting down and stuff. If you want to buy something, you have to go somewhere more far away.
We've been mapping about the things that we like most about Wrexham. My interest was the gym and Bellevue Park. So it just shows that they really do care about the generation that has to come, and they're trying to fit the society for us. My idea and vision on Wrexham would be a more interesting place, for example, Eagles Meadow. It's a very good place. But the only thing is, it's the only place that has a lot of good things you can go to, cinema, movies, food. I think we need more things like that, more stadiums, more places like Tempin and all that.
Speaking to the young people today, what I heard was how positive they were about the Wrexham Room, their ideas about how they wanted the room to be, which I know people are listening to. And I also heard a real sense of pride in the city, in their community. They love to live here. They're proud of their community. They know what they want in their community. They know the things that matter to them in their area. And they want to be part of shaping that future. And so we need to listen to them and make sure we do that. So it's really important that we have spaces like this where people can feel heard, they can express their views, and they can be involved in taking decisions about the future of their community and of Wales.
I suppose, I think the fact that it's in the heart of the city, the fact that it's in T-Power, in the hustle and bustle, you've got the market going on outside, there's everything going on. I think that's uniquely Wrexham in itself. You've got the whole community around you. And yeah, I think it's just going to be a brilliant space for people to come and be comfortable and welcomed within the centre of the city.